For the last 2 years, we've lived through a period of seemingly unlimited expansion, where a world-class AI assistant was available to anyone. But the miracle is fading. Reports now show the technology is getting worse, as the company behind it misses its own internal growth targets. OpenAI is currently locking its frontier intelligence behind a $200 paywall and preparing to turn your private conversations into targeted ad space. The shift isn't in your head, it's in the business model. The free AI assistant is already dead. The free access we enjoyed was a loss leader, heavily subsidized by billions in venture capital from Microsoft and SoftBank. It was a strategy designed to capture 800 million weekly users before the funding tank ran dry. In 2024, OpenAI earned $3.7 billion, but lost $5 billion, burning $9,500 every minute. To manage this, they use capacity-based fallback. During peak traffic, free users are silently diverted from expensive flagship models on the cheaper variants. The handoff is invisible, but the quality drop is not. One moment the assistant is solving a calculus problem, the next it struggles to count the syllables in a haiku or forgets the last 3 messages of your conversation. Routing queries to these smaller models cost the company a fraction of a cent, compared to several cents for the flagship. You are given a budget AI while staring at the familiar brand name, assuming your prompts have simply become more difficult. Frontier Intelligence now lives in the ChatGPT Pro tier, a $200 a month subscription that grants unlimited access to advanced reasoning models and priority compute. This effectively demotes the $20 plus tier to a middle child, leaving its subscribers with higher error rates and tighter limits. The smarter model now sits behind a paywall. For everyone else, the assistant is becoming an ad platform. Internal plans show conversational targeting is projected to generate over $25 billion in annual revenue by 2029. Advertisers are paying for access to the medical questions, relationship doubts, and financial searches that users share in the privacy of the chat bubble. OpenAI's survival now depends on extracting maximum value from every user. Whether it's charging elite users a grocery budget subscription fee or mining the personal data of the free tier, the focus has shifted from public good to a desperate search for a sustainable bottom line. This pivot is driven by the rise of Anthropic, a rival firm that is matching OpenAI's revenue with a much leaner operation. While OpenAI manages hundreds of millions of expensive free users, Anthropic focuses on lucrative enterprise contracts, where companies pay 7 or 8 figures annually for predictable, stable access. The pressure to compete commercially has sidelined the company's safety mission. The super alignment team has been dissolved, and founding scientists like Ilya Sutskever have left, warning that safety culture has taken a back seat to shipping products. High compute costs have also killed public access to tools like Sora. The AI video generator, once viral for its realism, is now reserved for high-paying Hollywood studios and ad agencies rather than the average consumer. The public narrative is being carefully managed to cover this transition. What began as an altruistic project is being aggressively restructured into a commercial machine. The reality of scaling for 1 billion users has forced the abandonment of the company's original guardrails. To keep the lights on, the mission had to change. Internal filings reveal a restructuring of the company's governance. The original nonprofit board is being sidelined to remove limits on investor profit, clearing the way for a $1 trillion initial public offering. Every prompt you've typed since 2022 feeds this IPO document. Your medical questions and tax confusion are reframed as user engagement, raw momentum used to justify a massive valuation to Wall Street. In the logic of a $1 trillion valuation, you were never the customer. The free access was an extraction phase. Now that the IPO is on the horizon, the everyday user has been converted from a person to be served into a product to be sold. We are entering an era of the AI underclass, where high-level reasoning and frontier capabilities are strictly allocated by wealth. The base version of the technology is being made more limited as the real power moves out of reach. The future of intelligence is behind a subscription service. Do you believe high-level AI will become a permanent luxury product? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to Nexa Academy for more deep dives into the future of tech. The golden age of equal access to artificial intelligence is permanently over. The tool that was supposed to lift everyone is now being used to fracture the future of human potential.